Now in this question, we need to find the points at which tangents drawn are parallel to this line, which is 8x equals 9y. So let this point be x1, y1. Now this point, a long ellipse. So we'll have our first equation, and there'll be 4x1 square plus 9y1 square, and it is equal to 1. So that's our first equation. Now at this point, we know that equation of tangent is given by t equals 0. So we'll find t equals 0. Its equation will be 4x x1 plus 9y y1, and it is equal to 1. Now what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So there will be minus 4x1 upon 9y1. Now it is given that tangents are parallel to this line, which is 8x equals 9y. So slope of this line is 8 by 9. Now here 9 will cancel. So we can write x1 as minus 2y1, and that's our second condition. Now what we'll do is we'll put the value of x1. So we'll put the value of x1. So we'll get this as 16y1 square plus 9y1 square. So value of y1 square will be 1 upon 25. So value of y1 is plus or minus 1 by 5. And since x is minus 2y1, x1 is minus plus 2 by 5. So these points of contact, they'll be 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 or minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. So answer to this question is option number B and option number D. Now here the question is, tangents PA and PB are drawn to this ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9, and it is equal to 1. Now this point is 4, 0, minus 4, 0, 0, 3 and 0, minus 3. Now from a point 0, 5, so we have a point on minor axis, which is from 0, 5, we have drawn two tangents. So tangents PA and PB are drawn to this ellipse. So this is PA and this point is PB. We need to find area of this triangle PAB. Now what we'll do is, from this point P, if we draw a pair of tangents, then this is chord of contact. Chord of contact is given by t equals to 0. So for this point 0, 5, we'll find t equals to 0. So we'll write x x1. So there'll be 0x upon 16 plus 5y upon 9 equals to 1. So from here we'll write value of y is 9 by 5. So this line is y equals 9 by 5. Now once we have the value of y, we can find the value of x also. So we'll find these points A and B. So we'll put y as 9 by 5. We can write x square upon 16 plus 9 upon 25 is equal to 1. So x square upon 16, and it will be 16 upon 25. So value of x is simply plus minus 16 upon 5. So point B is 16 upon 5, 9 by 5, and point A is minus 16 upon 5 and 9 by 5. Now we need to find area of this triangle. So area of this triangle is half. Now base, what is the length of the base? Length of the base is 32 by 5. And what is height? Height in this case is 5 minus 9 by 5, which is 25 minus 9, 16 by 5. Which is 256 upon 25 square units, and that's your option number B. Now let this point of contact be x1, y1. Now we know that equation of tangent drawn at this point x1, y1 will be given by t equals to 0, and there will be x x1 plus 3y y1 equals to 6. Now this alpha beta, it will lie on this tangent. So we'll get this equation as alpha x1 plus 3 beta y1, and it is equal to 6, and that's our first equation. we'll get the second equation from slopes. So what is the slope of this line ON? Slope of this line ON will be beta upon alpha. And what is the slope of this tangent? Slope of this tangent is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So it will be minus x1 upon 3y1, and this value is equal to minus 1. So we'll cancel minus with minus, then we can write beta x1 is equal to 3 alpha y1, and that's your second equation. Now from these two equations, we'll find the value of x1 and y1. So what we'll do is, we'll eliminate y1, we'll put the value of y1 here, so we'll get alpha x1 plus 3 beta, and then y1 will be beta x1 upon 3 alpha, and it is equal to 6. Now this 3 will cancel. We can take x1 common, then we can write alpha square plus beta square upon alpha x1, and this is equal to 6. That is, the value of x1 is 6 alpha upon alpha square plus beta square. Now once we have x1, we can find y1. So we'll put the value of x1. We'll get y1 as, now here 6 alpha and 3 alpha will cancel, we'll get 2. So it'll be 2 beta upon alpha square plus beta square. So now we have x1 and we also have y1. Now we need to find relationship between alpha and beta. So we know that this x1 y1 will satisfy equation of this ellipse because it lies on this ellipse. So if x1 y1 it lies on this ellipse, then x1 square plus 3y1 square, and it must be equal to 6. Now we'll put the value of x1 and y1. So we'll get 36 alpha square plus 12 beta square upon alpha square plus beta square whole square, and this value, it is equal to 6. So we can write this as 12 3 alpha square plus beta square, and this is 6 times alpha square plus beta square whole square. We can cancel 6 with 12. So this required locus will be 2 times 3x square plus y square, and it is equal to x square plus y square whole square. 2 times 3x square plus y square is 6x square plus 2y square, and then x square plus y square whole square, and that's your option number A.